Install and run Launch GCS software. Click on the Connect button to connect UAV to GCS software. Select different maps from the map list. Map zoom in and zoom out. Click to center the UAV position on the map. Click to center the position of home point. Drone status bar. Real-time UAV information display. Shortcut to quickly switch flight mode, change flight altitude, flying speed, and others. Click the button for pre-flight inspection. Follow the prompts to perform the inspections. Airspeed calibration. Green bar means calibration accomplished. Check the working status of motors and flight control surface from GCS software. Check the flight control surface response width in manual mode with RC and in FBWA mode. Critical UAV information display area and HUD display. Select the type of route for the flight mission. Configure default altitude and other parameters for the route. Add loiter command for takeoff and landing. Shortcut buttons for drawing the route. Click the Route Drawing button to add waypoints. Easily add loiter waypoints for takeoff and landing after flight route planning is completed. Click the button to write waypoints to the UAV. Return to the flight command interface, click ARM button, and then the Start Mission button to start the flight mission.